Greetings, my name is Hernando Giraldo. I run the US operations for SEA.AI. SEA.AI has developed and manufactures products combining powerful optics and artificial intelligence for the purpose of enhanced situational awareness at sea to avoid collisions and unwanted encounters. Here we have a sample of our offshore product. The Offshore Series are designed specifically for sailboats. This unit would mount on top of the mast of any sailboat, really. 3 sensors. The 2 on the outside are infrared sensors. The one in the middle is a high-resolution color and low-light sensor. Next to this is the Sentry Series. The Sentry Series is designed for powerboats. As we look at the Sentry system, right now we're looking at the optical camera sensors. These are 2 high-resolution daylight and low-light sensors. The reason there are 2 is one has a wide field of view and the other has a narrow field of view with a different focal length so it can see things that are further out. As we come to the other side of the camera, we have 2 infrared sensors. Same concept. One has a wide field of view and the other has a narrow field of view with a focal point that allows us to zoom in on further objects. The 2 chambers where the optics are completely sealed, and that is where the processor and memory reside. This is the PTU, and this allows full 360 rotation as well as 20 degrees vertical movement. At anchor, it can do full 360s all night long for enhanced situational awareness of what may be approaching from any angle. At anchor, if other boats are dragging anchor potentially and getting close, the system will alarm and alert somebody on board, or possibly if there's somebody approaching the vessel from any angle, curious or just maybe with bad intentions, the system will detect them and alert the operator. Day or night, that's the reason we have color and infrared sensors. It will do 3 things: detect anything between the vessel and the horizon. It will classify that, and that's where the artificial intelligence kicks in. It will determine what that is and inform the operator. And then the last thing it does is, when appropriate, it will actually alert the operator that there is something that requires attention. Our market strategy is to work through qualified partners, dealers, and installers such as Maz Ocean, particularly installers in the marine navigation electronics segment. Our systems work best when they're properly installed and integrated with other vessel navigation electronics. That's Maz Ocean's expertise, and they have the people that know how to pull the cables, how to make sure the power is adequate, and work with the other tools on board to have an exceptional customer experience. Our AI has been trained on images that have been captured for the past 6+ years, and we have millions of images that are being used to train our system. So although this is very innovative, the artificial intelligence algorithms and our data sets are quite mature and tested.